How to disable music and Battle Prime. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it off. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, tap on Settings. So now, we in this Settings interface. Basically, this is the piece where you can customize and find different options. Here on the top, select Audio and Graphics. So here, we in this Audio section. If you slowly scroll down, there's a music volume bar. Here you can customize that, so you can move the slider wherever you like. So if you want zero music, you can completely keep it to zero and it's done. Now you can go back and there won't be any background music, so there won't be any disturbance too, and you can focus on your gameplay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.